Hi friends, it's Carol with the Stylish Dragon, and I want to go over how to prep the Tru Red gel pens. Now these are the Staples brand gel pen, and they work just as well for any of the decorated gel pens that you've been seeing around. So first off, you're going to need your pens. And then I have a pair of flush cutters. You've seen me, if you've watched my other videos, you've seen me use this to take off the clips. And I have a rechargeable rotary tool to help sand down the rough edges. And I also have my handy dust mask because I don't want to breathe in all those fine particles after sanding or when I'm sanding. So first things first, we're going to take this apart. So you're just going to twist off the tip, take out the ink and the clicker. Again, we're going to twist off the tip, take out the ink and the clicker. This one just wanted to jump right out. So now we're going to clip off the clip. And this one is a little bit different than like the InkJoy ones because it has this extra little plastic up at the top here. So I just like to kind of go in and pre-clip that plastic a little bit. And then I take my flush cutter, and holding down this end so that it doesn't go flying off, I will just kind of start working away at it. Now the TruRed is a lot softer. This is a softer, it almost feels kind of like silicone type plastic. So you do have to be a little bit more careful. You don't want to cut too deep into it, but you just go ahead and clip it off, and there you go. Don't worry, your resin, UV resin or epoxy will fill in that hole there. And let's do the same with this one. Just kind of go in and clip those little sides. And then go in from the top and start clipping. There we go. And now on this one, we're going to just do a little bit of light sanding because this is more of a rubbery type plastic. I don't want it to get torn up too much. So let me put my mask on. Gotta protect my lungs. And we're just gonna go in at a little bit of a lower rate and just see. Yeah, see, that'll kind of wants to tear up that rubber a little bit. So I'm not really going to do a whole lot. That piece, I'm going to go ahead and clip it because it's going to want to pull away later. And I don't want it to distort this end here. So just very lightly try to kind of even out these edges. And let's go ahead and take off this logo so that it won't repel paint or epoxy. I definitely have a very light hand on this one because that rubbery plastic will tear up. I just kind of want to blend these edges down a bit. See what I mean about that rubbery plastic tearing up? And just really lightly go over this. Alrighty. And just like with my other pens, after I'm done sanding, I like to take and wash these with a little bit of soap and water, get all of that dust and particle off of there, get anything else off of the pens that may be on there, and then it's ready for paint or UV resin or epoxy or whatever next step you do. So once again, that's how you prep, or how I prep, my Tru Red from Staples gel pens. I hope this helped you.